have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and let me show you how to enable and how to use the new photographic styles. So go to settings, under settings, go to camera, tap on that, and then in the camera settings, you should see photographic styles. Okay, so if you tap on that, it's going to welcome you to photographic styles, and you can see the icon for photographic styles. And it says right there, to begin, select 4 of your favorite photos captured with this iPhone. Photographic styles lets you personalize how you appear in photos with incredible nuance to get the look you want. So just tap on get started. Let me select a couple of photos here. So I'm just gonna select this one. Let me try and find some good photos to select. Now I haven't taken enough photos with this particular iPhone, but let's see what we can do with what we have, and tap on continue. So once you select the photos you want, it's going to allow you to swipe between the different styles, the photographic styles, so you can see how each of these photos look like in those styles, and then maybe you can decide what style you want. Okay, so it's gonna turn that. So that is the standard style. This is basically the default. So that is amber. So you can see it applies a bit of a shade to those particular photos. It's very slight and subtle. Then you have gold. It's another photographic style. You have rose gold. You can see if you look at the clouds here, they are different, slightly different shades for the different photographic styles. Okay, now for every style you get a slider at the bottom just to kind of adjust the intensity of that particular style. Okay, so this one goes more towards neutral. Rose gold, you can just tone it down or you can make it to maximum. You can see it changing on the screen there. So it's basically a very slight, almost like a filter in the default camera app. So let's pick rose gold for instance, and then tap on continue. Now you can see it says personalize your photos by choosing your favorite tone color. So you can actually adjust this like that. Okay, so for this particular style, we have different tones and intensity. So you can slide up, down, just to pick the exact look you want on your photos. Then once you're happy with whatever you've chosen, just tap on save tone and color, and then tap on done. Now, if you want to start again, maybe you think you didn't select what you wanted, you can tap on start again, or you can tap on done. Now, once you tap on done, from now on, that's going to apply to every photo you take. There's going to be that particular photographic style being applied to the photos you take. So it's going to be slightly rose gold. It's going to be edited. It's going to apply a filter by default. Now you can always come to the control button, and as you can see, we have our rose gold photographic style, which you can switch to other photographic styles. When you're taking photos, you can have different photographic styles at any time. Okay, so if you do a double light press and select styles, that's where you land on those different styles. Okay, so you can adjust as you're taking photos, but then of course you have the default you've set in the settings. Okay, this is always going to be the default. Now if you want to change the default photographic style, you can always come back to this page, tap on that, and then tap on reset to standard. That goes back to the standard photographic style, and then you can tap on get started and set up a brand new photographic style. So that is basically how to set up and use photographic styles on your iPhone 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.